Hello and welcome everybody. GTII stock on 12 January. Let's start with the steps in this video about the price prediction and technical analysis that can be explained in this stock. Okay, let's start with the steps here. As I can think for that part, it's going to be very important and very well thing that can be absolutely depending on how can the GTII be a purpose for a good technical analysis thing. So I think it can reach from this part to till it can reach this level. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and like. And let's start with the steps here about the price prediction and technical analysis that can be explained on this video. Okay, we can think about that the price that can be located from the level 0 and what till okay 1 Fibonacci level here, 6 and 0, maybe 6 USD to 0 USD. Okay, however, this is going to be very important thing and that can be absolutely explained. Okay, and they can go for circle here. Okay, that can give it after it an increase. So I think that it can things that can be matter for that matters for the all the price predictions that can be explained on GTII. So I think if we wanted to see that with a careful mind in our explanation, this can be very important thing that can be on on all the series that can be done on GTII. So we can start the explanation here for a price that can start from the circle until it can reach here and until it start and the start from here until it can increase, so that is absolutely the purpose or the thing that is going to be the increase, and after it a decrease in momentum. Okay, we can think about it with the purpose that can be about the price prediction in news today. Okay, because that is going to be very important thing that can be explained according to right retractment. So from 0 to 1 Fibonacci level, that can be absolutely the important thing that can be in our mind. Okay, from 0 to 1 Fibonacci level here. So I think it's going to be on this, so you can think about it carefully. We can think it with the purposes that can be absolutely a thing that can be very well and very indicating thing. Okay, because since we can think in all the things that can be on this, like we can focus on, this is going to be a thing that is the making a relationship between the first part and second part. Okay, okay, we can see that the increase then the decrease. So I think if we can see that that can be matter, so we can see it from 0.382 and 0.2386, okay, 0.5, 0.618, 0.786. Okay, however, all these things are going to be possible to make this an indication or an explanation from all possibilities or all the things that can be in our mind, so that is going to be very well and very indicating good thing to know that GTII is a thing that is very important, very famous thing to know about it. Okay, so since we can go for the increase after it, it can give us an indication that the increase from 0 to 1 to 0.236 Fibonacci level, which is going to be allocation to the red line, is going to be very important and playing a role to make it increase to it. Okay, that is all the things that can I could explain on GTII stock. Okay, however, that is a thing that is going to be very important to know if we wanted to check out the price on GTII is going to be very well like this. Okay, there is no another in the bad things that can be in our mind. Okay, However, if we check out here 0.62636 exponential level, can go after it and increase. This is going to be another prediction. Maybe it can decrease, so we can go for the arrow here. The price prediction number one. Here is going to be the price prediction number two. Okay, and here then it's going to be the price prediction number three. That is all the things that can be considered in our mind. Okay, circle. So that is going to be very important thing and very well thing that can be a very good thing to be explained on 0.5, then increase and decrease. Maybe if we checked out that the price that can be the thing here is going to be the increase in momentum, another increase, so it's going to be price prediction. Okay, after decrease, maybe price prediction number three here, so we can go for the price prediction number four. And if we decrease it here, it's going to be price prediction number five. If you decrease it here, 6 and 7. However, and moreover, we can do all the possible things here. It's going to be number 8, 9, okay, and 10, 11. Maybe the spike can give it on 10, 11, 12. So 12 movements that can be done on GTII. If we said that the increase in momentum from 0 to 1 Fibonacci level process, or maybe can reach 0 to the level of 10 USD, 1.618 Fibonacci level, okay? The thing that is absolutely very important to be explained like this, and we should focus on how we can know the increase or the decrease can be absolute. We said that increase is the majority for what is going to happen. Okay, maybe it can here increase immediately from this part. After it can go in a straight form here, and it can start the process here, but it will absolutely increase maybe, but maybe it can go for the decrease in the cases that I could explain here in numbers. And that's what I can think about GTII in all the way that I explain on this video about the price predictions and technical analysis that can be very important to be explained on this video. And good luck on another episode about the price prediction and technical analysis that I can mention on GTII on the day after 12 January.